Okay, good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well and had a restful and productive evening last night. Muhammad, I sent you a response to your email last night. Thank you for your question. I see that you were able to post the assignment after all, so nice work. Actually, all of you were able to complete the assignment for today, so way to go, everybody. I'll do a final review and post your grades and comments for the assignment before class begins tomorrow. So um, let's start by talking about the homework. Okay, I asked you to watch a video last night and then post a 50 to 75 word response by midnight last night in your own words on the discussion board. You were to write your opinions on and thoughts about using the sun to make electricity using solar panels. So, who could tell me a little bit about the video that you watched? You could go ahead and talk, go ahead and verbally tell me, and you could also write in the chat window if you'd like to. So, who'd like to share? Okay, yes, Lynn. Uh-huh, interesting. You remember a bunch of little dots moving around inside of the solar panel when the sun came out. That's a great point, Lynn. I mean, that's where the magic is happening actually in the whole video. Anybody know the name of those little red dots? All right. Red jelly beans? Good guess, Mohammed. But they're not red jelly beans. Anyone else? What's the name of those little red dots? Natasha. Yes, exactly. They're called electrons. So, how do those little tiny electrons start moving around? Are they always moving around inside of the solar panel? Anybody know? Zhang, what's up with the electrons? Yes, the sun makes them move around. Definitely, Zhang. Good. Okay, and what happens when those electrons get excited and start moving around? Anyone? Anyone? Pedro? What happens? No answer? Okay, you're still thinking about it? Fatima? What happens when those electrons start moving around? Ah, yes. Electricity is made. Good. What is this called? Is there a term for this? Tim? Yes. Solar panels are used to create electricity using the sun. Good. Exactly. But what is the scientific name for this? He mentioned it in the video. The, what is the scientific name for the turning of sunlight into electricity? Patty? Patty, you look like you're about to say something. Yes, you almost have it. I'm impressed. It's called the photovoltaic effect. Yes, everybody go ahead and say that. Photovoltaic. Photovoltaic. Yes. Yes. Henry, I don't hear you saying it. Photovoltaic. Good. Exactly. Good. Okay. Photovoltaics, or the turning of sunlight into electricity using solar panels, is a study and practice under the much bigger topic of renewable or sustainable energy. Sustainable means that it won't run out and it won't pollute the environment. Does anybody know of other forms of sustainable energy that were only mentioned briefly in the video that you all watched last night for homework? Okay, seeing some people write in the chat. All right, yes. Peggy, wind, definitely. That is a source of renewable energy. Wind, yes. Using wind turbines. What's another form of sustainable and renewable energy? Maria, yes. Water or hydroelectric power, definitely. And biofuels is another. Good. Okay, for the next 5 minutes, we're going to get into groups of two, and it looks like one group of three. In your group, discuss how you think solar panels actually turn sunlight into electricity. Are there little elves inside? Is it magic? What happens? If you don't know, make something up. So I'm going to put you into groups. In about 5 minutes, we'll bring you back and we'll talk about it further. Okay? Awesome. And action.